Alrighty. Good morning, my beautiful, most handsome people in the planet. No, let me see. Why am I echoing? Oh, never mind. Fixed it. Okay, let me see. Let me see. What do we have today for gappers? I saw a couple of you guys already in the morning, like usual, making money before I'm even awake, before my alarm even goes off, and you guys are already green on the day. But I will say that Spy is currently jumping off a plane. Hasn't even opened its parachute yet. It's still gliding down so far. Merning. Ape Trace, Alvanar, Sam's Need, Zach is already up in the morning. Already made some money. Already even posted it on the Discord. Dang. Urban Trades there as well. Let me see who them is. The Trader. I'm still missing Trader Dad. Where did Trader Dad go? It's like he needed my help for something. I asked him. I answered him, and then he disappeared. Trader Dad. Trader Dad. Oh, maybe it's not Trader Dad. Maybe it's Trader Dad, not Trader. Trader. Could you even tell the difference when I said that? Fish Dude, good morning. Alright, let's see. What gappers do we have? ETNB. Zach already made his money on that. ETNB. What'd you get? Like 50 cents? 40 cents mostly? It's pretty good, right? CMRA. Is there really only two gappers so far? John, long or short? Mostly 50 cents. You tell me I have a producer sound voice? LABD. LABD. Why do I somehow have like LABD? There it is. Every ticker I'm trying to type, it's already in my watch list. I hate doing that. I have to delete a bunch of tickers because otherwise they're always in my watch list. I'm short right now on AKRO with a starter at 29.65. Still have more shares to add to my position. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mersa. Let's see, my YouTube people. I know I have it on public this time, and there you guys are. Rob, good morning. Keep it tight today. I'm still in SPY short, and that's all I'm trading today. Good morning, Juan. Good morning, Ahmad. Ahmad Hashad. Rob, appreciate all the support, man. I've seen you on my recaps, commenting, really nice comments. I really appreciate it. Thanks for hanging in here, coming in live as well. Appreciate all of that, Rob. And like always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, where's my music? That's the question. One of your monitors isn't broken. You think your cable is broken? Um, Rob, thank you, man. No, thank you, man. Thank you. Dang, that sucks, Urban. Okay, let's see ETN and B. Best trader. Hakimi on TikTok. Appreciate that, man. So, let's look at ET&E. ET&E, wow, ET&E 558 was almost 200 moving average and resistance, and we blew right past that. Now we're at 747. Dude, I don't see anything on this one. Yeah, or the port to my PC, a buddy and I built it, so it could be one of our faults. Dang. Good morning, Argent Trader. Good morning. Oh, that sucks, Urban. Hopefully it fixes. You gotta take it out, blow on it, and then put it back in. It'll fix it. I'm actually a little worried because I didn't turn off my computer last night. I didn't accidentally lift it on, but I was downloading something, so I had to leave it on all night. And hopefully it's not like burned out or something. I don't know. I always turn it off at night. It already dropped full. It already dropped before you got in full size. AKRO. Dang. But no, for real. SPY. I might be in the green pretty good in the open. It's just a lucky trades, but I shorted SPY yesterday. Puts 409, 410. Definitely hitting. Um, and then I have two spreads open on Tesla. 296.95 and 292.89. And Tesla's down to 292. So one of them is already in the money. The other one is very close. But that's going to be interesting. These things are literally going to completely flip from red to green. Okay, Ape Trade calling it out because I am talking ET and B. I got that one. VNet, I do not have that one. VNet, what is VNet looking like? Terrible. VNet high is 6.5. Alright guys, today the name of the game is trade, but also talk to you guys. But if I see a trade, I'm going to shut up and focus. Not like I didn't do it yesterday, but... And then also I'm going to try to call out plays that I think might be setting up. Like yesterday, I think I saw that NRBO and break a downtrend retest setting up. I never called it, and it kind of just went away with me. But if I call it out, maybe some of you guys keep an eye on it. You see it, you look at it, you trade it, you alert it. We all make money. We all make money. I'm not seeing a very good gapper though. LABD, let me see this one. LABD to me is looking more like a dead cat bounce. It does have a little bit of room up, but so LABD 24.47, 24.50. Before that, I got like 20.50, and today we're looking for that $20 break. So I'll put that. And then ETNB looks good, but ETNB, I would really like that stock to pull back. I would really like that stock to pull back. That's a stock is going straight up right now. Have we looked at the stocks from yesterday? TNB has my eyes. Sam Snead, okay. It has my eyes too, but so far it's straight up going up. We got less than 5 minutes real quick. Let me scan through yesterday's stocks. PYPD, no. Why can't I delete it? No. HD, no. RXT, I'm gonna leave that one there. Morning, Jesse. Please tell me you're short in something. PXMD was a nice mover yesterday. I'll just put an alert somewhere up here and leave it there. This one could be a potential. IBRX, definitely not. ARQQ. Maybe I'll put an alert up there and leave it there. You never know, you never know. BBIG. Put an alert way up here, but this one I'm going to delete it. ADT, screw that. SAN, no. And RBO, this is the one I want to Did NRBO do a stock split? 1 to 30? Did we know NRBO was going to do that? Is that why we were rallying the day before? Because I have no idea. No, this is not Forex. Yeah, I have a discount for my course. If you do 150 off, you get $150 off, and that is the cheapest I've ever given it to anybody on TikTok. 150 off. Which, if you go ask anybody that's taken my course or is in it right now, or I mean anybody has unlimited access, they've all said nothing but good things and definitely worth it. So I really cannot go lower. You know, I worked a lot on that course and I can't just give it out for free. So I'm sorry about that, but 150 is the cheapest I can go, and definitely gonna be worth it. Shorted Lucid yesterday, 1640. Good morning. Stock split on NRBO. Yeah, I saw that, which kind of sucks because I really wanted to keep an eye on NRBO and see if we could keep continuation on the stock. But now that it's up so much, what the heck, man? I mean, I'll keep an eye on it, but I don't really like that. I really, really do not like that. What's the P word we need to live by again today? Ooh, Chad, what's the P word we need to live by today again? I'm still scanning stocks. What's the P word, people? What's the P word, my fellow traders? Ape Trades. Ape Trades is what, green every single day this month? Good morning, Blair. The trader, AKRO. That's the one John is short in right now. I don't know if he's covered yet or not, but let me see. 31.99 is high. This thing made a very nice move. Is there anything higher past this? 34 over here. What is this? 32.40s. Okay, what is this one? 34.97, almost 35, and then high of 41 on this one. 41.16. Man, this one's not bad. Not bad. It's pricey though. I don't like that, but it's not a bad candidate to see if it opens up. Especially since it's the only one actually pulling back for us so far. Alright, 20 seconds until we're live. We're going to sit back and watch the first 2-3 minutes of market open. I had a 28-day green run, but gave it all back in 3 bad red days. Oh no. Hey, you got it, Sam Speed. We bounced back. Fariza, good morning on YouTube. Good morning. Alright, person on TikTok. Awesome, man. Good luck, man. But if you ever need anything, you know where to find me. Any help you need, I'm right here. Alright. This AKRO play is pulling back, and I am tempted to just get in a dip buy here. But I'm going to let this play out. Last time I tried to dip buy out the first minute open was on Saidu, I think. I was trying it once with MRSA, and that thing was so heavy. It was so heavy. I do see a TNB, but, you know, I can't do anything right here. I can't do anything right there. Oh, let me see what my... What's up, Mr. B28? Oh, sorry if you guys hear that. I usually mute it. Okay, ETNB is holding up still. AKRO kind of turning back around a little bit. I really don't know that I like any of these right now. I'm going to be patient. I wanted to see my puts. Wow, they completely flipped. That's insane. All of them completely flipped. That is crazy. CMRA making a decent opening candle. I do see that still pretty far below VWAP. I don't understand how sometimes that's possible. You know, like you look at ET&B and the stock is pretty high up, right? Like it's made a good move and it's barely over VWAP. And then you go look at CMRA and it's like, okay, it made a good move and then it kind of dumped, but it's like so far below VWAP. Good morning, John, on YouTube. My momentum scanner, for those of you guys watching on YouTube in Tradecaster, is right above me, and then I also have a halt scanner to my right or to my left, whichever way it is. To my left. I always got to remember that. And you guys can see that completely free. I pay like $100 a month, and if you guys keep an eye on that, you'll see the stocks that are breaking highs, hitting highs on the day. Oh my gosh, Urban. As soon as I saw you reading, as soon as I was reading you saying you bought puts on SPY yesterday, I was instantly like, dude, you must be up a lot today. Wow, CMRA is still going up. CMRA is definitely gonna play. Definitely trying to be in play. NRBO is making a little bit of a move up still. Watching that one. Good morning, Rob on YouTube. I want to see if this one keeps pulling back. We're testing the ADMA on ETNB. Yeah, it's crazy. I just looked at my SPY puts from yesterday and I bought them for 5 and they're sitting at 10 right now. Like double. ETNB, this is kind of tempting. It's the number one gapper though. You know these always get heavier. So I'm gonna let this just play out and see what happens. So far, all small caps are pulling back, and SPY and Tesla and all of them are recovering. The opposite. ETNB though, this is really tempted down here. ETNB was tempted to try a dip there, but I'm not gonna get into some stupid trades and get red early on. So I'm respecting the P word today. Respecting the P word. I'm doing good, everybody. Dude, BTC dude is impossible. I don't trade Bitcoin. What's Mino Sabe mean? It's kind of misspelled, but you're trying to say that I don't know. See, this is the one I was just trying to get a dip buy on it, and you see how it just keeps dropping and dropping. Maybe VWAP now, but if this VWAP doesn't hold, this thing is going to pull back pretty aggressively. I'm hoping we get... Is NRBO halted? NRBO is halted. I was looking on my 5 chart to the side, and just wasn't moving. I was like, that might be halted. LABD pushing. I do see LABD as well. Attempting the $20 break on LABD. Although we already spiked over it by 4 cents. Being patient so far. No trades yet. No trades yet. Not rushing anything. Name of the game is patience here. LAVD making a comeback. ETNB trying to bottom out. Sniper trades in the house. Morning, Sniper trades. John, did you fully get out of your short now on AKRO? That's a nice short there. LAVD, you know, if it wasn't the first 5-minute open, I would take a trade right here off 1987 up to $20. But CMRA again trying to reclaim VWAP. Well, CMRA had a 1-minute flag under VWAP. I never saw it. I was only looking at the 5-minute for this one. CMRA also going to have a downturn already. Andres, good morning. Oh, Mercer said it. Not said it, took it. LABD, I think LABD is. Yeah, LABD is an ETF. But I've traded that one before. I've traded that one before. I mean, it's still going up. Basir A, good morning, folks. Good morning, man. Do I recognize your username, Basir? Are you first here? Are you a new time? Is this your first time here? Sorry. HYMC, Lang is calling it out. Good morning, Lang. HYMZ, this one doesn't look bad. New here. Nice, nice, nice. Everybody welcome Basir. KSPN as well. KSPN doesn't look bad. I'm gonna put this one over here. So far, everything is tanking besides LABD, so I'm still even on the day. No trades for me. KSPN is moving up though. KSPN, I want to see a 5-minute candle close high. NRBO probably should be live soon, right, Jofi Young? Let's see when this time halted. 8:32 and it's 8:38. That's 5 minutes, so this is actually going to halt longer. CMRA does have a downtrend from pre-market high all the way down to this pivot here. Now we're trying to break out of it here, but I'm going to be patient on this one as well. LABD. Still going. Almost took a trade there on CMRA. KSPN still looking strong. CMRA, big old spike there. Those spikes right there definitely grab my attention. A lot of volume. Even if we close high here, I will look to see if I get a retest. High on this one today is 3.2. CMRA daily's chart looks very heavy in a lot of places, a lot of wicks. Retest of like 259, 260 on CMRA might be a good place. If I get an entry that low. KSPN also closing a 5-minute candle there and pulling back already. Yeah, back down to like 258. This is a little bit of a pullback on CMRA. Let's see if this keeps pulling back low volume. Gives us a lower entry. doesn't even want to pull back anymore. AKRO. AKRO holding VWAP 2, I see it. Dang, I really wanted this CMRA to pull back lower. CMRA just looking pretty strong today. And RBO just resumed and spiked up to a new high after that halt. Spiked up like $2 a share. Are you taking a trade on LABD? Ape trades? This little pullback on LABD doesn't look bad. Or even that 1987 retest. Oh, CMRA finally pulling back. This is the one I wanted to see. Way down here. 259. AKRO, John, you'd cover at the correct time. Look at that thing just turn around. For everybody on TikTok asking what chart I'm looking at, you can see it at the bottom of my screen. Good morning, Frank. Good morning, Tamimi. Kevin, CMRA has news insider buying yesterday for SE filing. Awesome, awesome. I do like CMRA, but I want this thing to pull back a little bit more. I've been waiting for a pullback on this stock, and it just won't give it to me right here. This volume is dying off. This thing is pulling back. I want to snipe an entry down here. A little bit lower. Oh. Is this the last 5 minute? This is the last 5 minute candle here. I'm going to jump in small share size. Let's see what happens so far. If it pulls back, I'll re-add a little bit more. Ready to exit and add lower if this thing pulls back, or if this thing rips, start looking to take profits. Seeing buyers step in but can't break out of this little place here. Okay, it opened up a little bit there. It's not really what I'm looking for though. And that turned around so fast. Lost on that trade there, looking for the still to bounce. Seeing if this holds that retest of downtrend. I should have taken my little bit of profit that I was up there. Good thing it was just a starter. I will say that first 5 minute candle had a lot of volume up there on CMRA. But down to 250. KSPN is still going ape trades. KSPN, I'm watching it. I'm still watching CMRA. I want to see if we keep holding some of these levels and then make a move through up to $3. So far I was trying to get down here. I got kind of spiked down on that one. Took a loss there. But still looking to re-add and take the same trade again. ALLR. Oh, AKRO completely turned around again. ALLR, I see that one. CMRA. Are we going to go back up to 282, break that up to $3? That ALLR already spiked up to 150. 150 is a double top on the daily too. CMRA, are you kidding me, man? $3 is next, and then 3.2 is pre-market high, right? 3.2, yes. Okay, good opening here on CMRA. Watch this candle close, 282 retest if we get buyers to keep control all the way to the end. But so far it's not looking like it, so probably no trades here, no trades here. You got to be careful with those buyers. Make sure they're staying there till the end, and they're not, so no breakout there. LABD setting up better now. You're looking at 1994 again. That's going to sell. What are you talking about, Goulid? KSPN 330 pivot. Is that what's my birth year? 1994? No. Why are you saying that? CMRA, I had that downtrend, and there's a spike here, and then this one's the one that came back and retested it, but it spiked through my fill when I was already in, and so I kind of got shaken out of that one. And so I did take a $100 loss there, but $100 is not NRBO. Yeah, NRBO is the one that halted and resumed higher, but I'm not trading that. That's like it went from trading $2, $3 to now being 24, 26, 28, moving $2, $3 at a time. KSPN, on the other hand, though, I like KSPN. And then LABD could still be setting up. I'm watching ALLR as well, just in case we go back up to that 150 here and break 150. ALLR needs volume. You can see that stock goes up, closes there, and then candle spawns lower. Look at the CMRA volume on the 5-minute though. Is that not confusing? KSPN also has a downtrend area. KSPN has two pivots in market, pre-market, that you can connect, and they make a downtrend almost all the way to where it's at right now. KSPN could be setting up a nice pivot there. That's where Mercer set at 330. Let's see if KSPN drops down a little bit for us and sets up that pivot. That's why you see multiple candles battling here, because shorts are entering at that trend line. Which one? Oh, 1994, I see it. I will say this one is like not moving. Look at the orders. I could literally read you all of them before they disappear off time and sales. If you're taking a trade on KSPN, I think that right there could have been it. Down to ADMA here as well. Wow, that pulled back too fast, too aggressive. Look at NRBO, just dropped down to 22 and ripped up to 26. How's that possible? Yeah, I don't like that one either. CMRA is still kind of holding up, honestly. And this one definitely losing more volume now. I don't know if we start averaging in some place here. CMRA could be the one that just makes that big explosion. So if we start averaging in some of these plays here down low, get a good cost basis, and maybe this thing will rip for us. Do you use level 2 for breakouts? How do you read level 2? Yeah, I use level 2. And how do I read it? That's a very complicated question, but you gotta be kidding me on KSPN. Was that the right play? You know what? I got no idea, man. That's exactly what we were looking to go in right there. Level 2, so you can see at the bottom of my screen if you're on TradeCaster, the right side is the ask, the left side is the bids. You see the price right there, so 335, 335 on the right, you see 337, 338, that's the price, and then you see a numbers right next to it. Those are orders, so that's how many orders are waiting to fill. They're not orders that are filled, they're waiting to fill. LABD, Ape Trades is still up here, just consolidating sideways. Just drop down and touch the ADMA right there, and it's still holding up. CMRA pulling back. Mercer's adding on CMRA. I will add if I see like that 255 again, maybe. And maybe going a little bit heavier on this one. Like 255 again on CMRA, but that is not a good 5-minute candle close there. HYMC on momentum scanner. NRBL's halted again. ALLR looking for 150 break. KSPN is still kind of holding right where it was earlier. CMRA maybe looking for a lower add on this one. Adding CMRA on that spike down. Looking for this ADMA tap and recovery on this one. Bit of a bounce, little bit of a bounce. If this bounce doesn't hold, I'll take profits and re-enter. So far bouncing, so far bouncing. Recover mostly on my loss if I was to exit right now, but I'm looking for this reclaim on CMRA. Doesn't want to break out of this area here. I'm gonna get out. So made back 100 bucks there. Okay, not bad, not bad. Could have been a little more patient on that one, but right here it looked like I got stuck at 264. Look at the ask with 66 orders there, 64 orders there. It was not breaking at all, so I got out of that one. LABD, Ape Trades. Oh, you're out of it. No. Tesla up or down? Down. Everything down. Pissed off about LABD. Dude, you had that trade right there. You had that trade right there. CMRA, we nailed the bottom. We nailed the bottom on CMRA. Was looking on CMRA at that bottom. I almost averaged down on it. We got a little bit of a bounce, not the biggest bounce, but would have been a nice bounce if that thing would have completely recovered. It's doing it again, right back down to that area. Touching the ADMA. But those green candles on the 1 minute have less volume, so I'm a little iffy about that. LABD finally opens up. LABD finally opened up, and this was a pretty good flag on LABD. I don't know how Ape Trades managed to mess it up, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I think LABD already formed a flag. Look right here. This is your pole, this is your flag, and then it goes. CMRA, I mean, CMRA just closed another 5-minute candle down there, and volume completely died on that one, so this one still might recover. KSPN is still under that. Let me see. CMRA is still down here. LABD just goes. AKRO testing downtrend. I took AKRO because I replaced it by one. Let me see. Oh, wow. You are right. AKRO down to like 26, 27, and I'll take a trade on that one. Yes. AKRO down to like 27-ish. I do like AKRO back down to 27-ish. No. Pull back, man. Pull back. KSPN cannot break that downtrend. CMRA is still holding that low down there. AKRO still looking. ALLR curling back up, looking for 150 on that one. And then I also see ETNB kind of curling back up. John is in on KSPN. Okay, okay, I like it, I like it. Why does everybody keep saying sell on TikTok? Yo, Takalo, what's good? Takalo? Who are you saying Takalo? AKRO is looking good, but it's not pulling back at all. I want to see this thing. Well, I guess I would be fine if it closed that 5-minute candle there. It is lower volume though. ALLR back up to 150. The stock needs volume though. KSPN completely flushed. CMRA, here we go. AKRO still not pulling back for me. Waiting for test and make buy on this one, AKRO. But now AKRO is going, so we'll see if we get another setup on AKRO up here. Let's look for pivots. Pivot here, 2842-ish. And RBO back up to new high. Holy crap. Oh, Tocayo. Yeah, Tocayo, Tocayo. I wasn't thinking Spanish. So, Carlos, good morning. Where can I find a link to your course? It's going to be on my Discord. In my Discord, there's a link there. I'll show it to you, or send me a DM on my Discord, and I will send it to you privately and answer any questions before you purchase it. So, here, as a matter of fact, I can do that real quick. So. Here. So that's my Discord. Just join that, and then either tell me who you are, or just send me a DM. Like click my name and send me a DM, and then I can send you the link and kind of explain everything before you purchase it and all that stuff. Help you out. I do know Spanish, bro. Tocayo, tocayo. So I'm guessing your name is also Juan. Ghost Rider. AKRO now looking for the 8-minute tap or flag on AKRO. So far we have not had good action today. Good job, Rosendo on ETNB. I guess this 2842 is gonna hold on AKRO. I wanted to see a little bit of a more pullback on this one. Was trying to catch a little bit of a bounce here on AKRO. Didn't quite get a bounce. I was up 100. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. CMRA finally goes. CMRA. This one might come in hot. CMRA might come in hot up here to 282. CMRA is now my number one watch. Looking for that 282 breaking up to $3 hopefully on this one. Looking at CMRA, this one is coming in hot. A lot of sellers stopping out. I see a lot of buyers on the tape. Let's see. Candle here is going to close. I'm going to add small share size, see if it pulls back or see if it just goes. Pulls back, I add more a little bit. Didn't get to add more. Let's keep watching it. Looking for 282 break on CMRA. No breakout there. Still looking for a pullback here. Let's see if we get a bigger one. Zach got in on AKRO. AKRO looks good right here to me. CMRA still though. CMRA is what I would be more interested on. I'll have it to go back and forth. I've been trading for 3 years. CMRA just had a nice 5-minute candle close, so where's the pullback? Even down to VWAP or something like that, I will take on that. Looks like NRBO should have been the play of today. It just keeps going up. Stock went from $17 to $32. Here's a pullback on CMRA. Does this thing keep pulling back for us? Low volume pullback. I have not been able to step in big on any play today, so let's see if we can make it happen here maybe. Added a little bit there. Come on. No, not yet. 282 is going to be strong to break. Okay, well I got that break, or I got not that break, but that add down there, but didn't add full size again. I'm going to hold 1,000 shares here. If I break to this level, we could go up all the way up to 3, so I'm going to be patient with 1,000 shares. Currently up just $90, $70. But at this 282, you could tell 282, look at all these wicks over here. Okay, looks like we're poking out of it a little bit. A little spike there, that's okay. Let's see if momentum keeps going though. AKRO pulls back down to 80 MA. CMRA finally opening up. I like this. Finally, look at this, looking for $3 break. Sold a little bit there. Want to see the big ad over and break 3. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. Shorts are panicking, covering. Currently up a little bit over under $200 on this play now. Watch this candle close high. Watch a pivot, micro pullback, rip through $3, and then we're looking for 320 pre-market high. $282 retest maybe, hopefully. If I get it, if I get it. Doubled down there on CMRA and took them out again, just catching a little bounce, flipping shares, maybe small profits here. I'm gonna do it again right down here, maybe. Dang it, that was the ad there. We're still looking for that $3 break on CMRA and see if we get a 320 high. Let's see if this keeps holding like this, we'll be definitely looking at $3 break. John got in on that play with me. It's not a big trade here. I'm just waiting to add big and see where I can take a good ad or anything like that. We're still holding these lows down here. Okay, well, I'm still in a little bit, but looking for a $3 break. Ape Trade's calling out VNet. You guys can go take a look at VNet real quick, see what's going on. There goes. Here goes CMRA closer to $3. Here goes CMRA closer to $3. Double topping 296 right there. Candle has 15 seconds left. Trying to get an ad here for the break of 3. In and out just to see if I get one of those breakouts up to 3, but I cannot. Stock doesn't want to go. Stock doesn't want to go. Okay, fully out of that one. It's not wanting to open up. Ape Trade's up $110 today. There you go, Ape Trades. Shoot, I'm not even up. I can't understand trading. It's so complicated. Can you explain it to me? I have a course that explains everything to you. I can't really explain while I'm trading live and all that stuff, but my course teaches you everything you need, and then you have me for any questions as well. CMRA, man. CMRA is still messing with our feelings up here. Looking for 282 still to hold, maybe. I like you guys posting y'all's profits. I like it. I like it. Look at NRBO, guys. Is anybody trading NRBO at all today? By the way, Carlos, did you ever get in on my Discord? Austin took that trade with me. Nice, nice, nice. Still looking at 282 here. I don't want to catch a dump because we already failed, but 282 has still been holding. CMRA, Rob got a few scalps in CMRA. Nice, nice. Yeah, Burke. I mean, I can answer any specific questions. I just can't explain everything all at once, you know. Especially because a lot of people ask me to explain them and all that stuff. But I have a course that teaches everything, and then all those people that are in it, I do answer any questions, any of that stuff. CMRA is still a CMRA is still holding this low down here. I wonder if we're just letting EMAs catch up and then we're gonna make another move. Or what's the next pivot? The pivot's 282. I don't know where else to go. I don't know how much lower we can enter. See, even that tiny little dip does not feel like a sellers are coming in here. VNet. I never looked at VNet. Yeah, that one looks like a hard one to get. VNet could be going up for highs though, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it. CMRA, I don't know. I mean, maybe back down to like 273-ish. AKRO pivot 2810. Carlos on YouTube. You still in here, Carlos, on YouTube? Trader Dad, are you in on Tradecaster today? Trader Dad? Ugh. Your answer at the top, short double equals gain. I don't really short. If you're saying for me to go short, I don't really short stocks. I mostly go long. Watching CMRA for entry, you're looking at what, down to like 273-ish maybe? That's what I'm seeing. 273, maybe VWAP, ADMA catching up to it. Yeah, that's exactly right, Rob S. Anybody watch Cobra Kai? NRBO halted, but still looking strong. NRBO, man, you could have bought anything on NRBO today, and you would have made a killing. And look at these perfect flag right here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Love this shit. Cobra Kai. The new one came out. The new one came out, so we watched the first episode yesterday. CMRA still looking for this pullback on CMRA. Yeah, the new one came out. CMRA pulling back low volume. You just gotta get a good entry on it. Still been a slow day, right? Ghost Rider Hun, you see Ozark, that's a good show. So no, I haven't seen Ozark. Wow, there's no way we missed CMRA by 1 penny. It hit 276. I've not seen Ozarks. VNet. Zach, are you in on VNet? Outer Banks. VNet is heading up for pre-market highs. HYMZ still on watch. Yeah, I don't know what to look at now. Unfortunately, I've botched today. I pretty much botched today. I mean, CMRA, I'm up 150. LABD, nothing. AKRO down 140. So I'm up like 20 bucks. Wow. 20 bucks in the green. Oh, actually, what about KSPN? I traded that one. Oh, no, I didn't. I just looked at it. What We Do in the Shadows is a good show. Are you guys entering more short options on Tesla right now? Anybody shorting Tesla? That was a huge drop, and we're hovering right under a trend line. To me, everything still looks like a short. Let me look at SPY. Oh, SPY is actually dropping a little more than Tesla. But Tesla, to me, looks like a short. Quick analysis. This is why. Hold on. I'll make sure I'm not missing anything. So right here on Tesla, we got one pivot there, two pivots there, and then we broke out of it. And then today we flushed right under it, and look where we're hovering, right under that trend line. So to me, it's acting as resistance now again, and a pullback lower might be coming. So here, resistance, resistance, not even support, right back down under, and then this thing might pull back down again. But I would add more, but I'm already in 2 spreads short on Tesla, so none of that. Yeah, I heard no, Lang alerted it. I saw it over here. He alerted it right there because I remember I saw it. Now it's going for high still, 1-1. Should I just take a breakout trade since I'm barely scratch on the day? Since I'm barely break even on the day, get like 2 pennies of share here. Let's add to the cause here. Oh my god, there's 400 orders to fill. Come on, guys. I've done my part. Let's go. Oh, we're not filling any. That thing did not go down at all. Let's try it again. No, let's try it again. See if we get another move back up. Guys, you guys see NRBO? VNet unfortunately came crashing down. Guys, NRBO, holy crap. Dude, I'm so tired of the big stocks doing that. Like, why can't it be the stocks that are $3, $4 and run up to 10, not the $20 stock run up to 50? I kid you not, I guarantee you last year it was more of those cheaper stocks doing that, not the expensive stocks like this year is doing. Dude, can you imagine if I held? I made 180 on NRBO. I'm good. I'm out. Awesome, man. Awesome, double J trader. I just finished Breaking Bad top 3 show. Nice. Never seen that one either. Never seen that one either. Young boy. I'm not. I really don't watch TV. If I'm at home and I got free time, I don't really watch TV at all. The only reason I watch TV is because we watch it when we eat with my wife, and that's it. No, I don't know who that is either. Blair back in the green again. Nice, nice. Today is a scratch even day, but I want to see if I can make something happen before I go. A little bit of profit, a little bit of gas money. I guess I am on a nice streak. NRBO taking the thunder. Maybe some sympathy momentum once NRBO is done. I was hoping CMRA would follow or AKRO as well. Dude, I'm pretty sure I know who Youngboy is. I just don't recognize the name. I'm so bad with people. Like, you could tell me famous people, and I'd be like, I don't know who that is. And then you put a picture of them in front, I'm like, oh yeah, that's the guy from this movie, or that's the singer, or that's like, I'm terrible with names, celebrity names. I'm awful. Could it be that the big company are coming out with tech like Apple with the new phone? Dude, I bet Apple's new phone is like literally the exact same thing as the 13 or the 14, whichever one they're at. Can you downtrend forming on HYMC? It's flagging too a little bit. Can you short NRBO? There is put options. NBA young boy. Nope. Sad story, bro. Sad story. CMRA. Do we get the break of 3 on CMRA? Alright, I'll check him out. I'll check him out. I guarantee you I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna listen to one song and be like, oh, this guy. I guarantee you. Rob 1.2 float rotation on CMRA, but it doesn't go anywhere. Oh no, John. Your laptop's about to explode. CMRA, a lot of volume again picking up here, trying to get through 2.9 back up to 3. IFBD. This one we just had a spike not too long ago, so that's not bad. Spike yesterday opened at high of 250, but before that we hit 399. Let's see if this one sets up anything. 250 break also. I have no idea what causes that, John. Do I have any expert computer guys in here? Oh my gosh, I was just like, can I short NRBO, and it just halted down. KSBN was a letdown today. So did ALLR letdown today. IFBD. IFBD 5-minute chart looks pretty bad now, but I want to see if the stock keeps opening up. LABD is still up here. It's pretty new. I hate laptops because they are a pain in the ass to operate on, but yeah, probably dust or a virus could be low on RAM too. What's up, Chin Muraki 19? Ghost Rider said know a little bit about tech. AKRO taste and downtrend. Boring day. Boring day on my end because I didn't really do anything. I like how he said on this laptop. He literally said on this laptop. See, this is where we were averaging in on this stock and it worked, but didn't get that full move back up when I did. V-neck kind of still holding. CMRA still consolidate. Hey, what is the best way for daily trading? The best way is for you to log in every morning and watch the markets with us every morning. I mean, you don't have to watch it with us, but as long as you watch the market every day. Oh, this is what you got you, good winner, 257. Yeah, this right here, all the way back up was a nice move, which is where I started averaging in. I started averaging in down there, but I stopped it out a little too early. I think I noticed that question, how you doing, Juan? Green, red? I am, I think, pretty break even, honestly. Question, so you sell when it's going down and buy going up? It depends. If you're going long, then you're gonna buy lower and sell higher. So you want to buy like a 2.6 and then sell a 2.7, then you make 10 cents of profit. And then if you're shorting, then you want to do the opposite. You sell higher and then cover lower. HYMC never went. Yeah, blame Lang, dude. Blame Lang for HYMC. Alerting a trash call all day long. It's funny when I call you guys out and I look left and I immediately see Lang is typing. Then you should short NRBO. Hard to borrow. CMRA kind of dipping down, touching the ADMA. Should we just try it again, see if this thing keeps consolidating? Well, it didn't fail me there. Never failed me there. Does really indicators work for trading? Um, they work, but they're not gonna tell you exactly this is where you need to buy and where you need to sell. You just have to know how to use them. Dude, my SPY puts, I bought them for $5 a contract yesterday, and they're selling for 13 right now. Ain't that something? No, I don't know how to make money with $0. NRBO live. Is NRBO gonna spike to new high? This thing is gonna go for a new high, isn't it? It's halted. Dude, you just can't. It's like, dude, like you want to have good momentum and find good stocks. Not everybody go over to NRBO and it just halts left and right. That's exactly what's happening. Like I keep telling myself, I'm gonna scale up. I'm gonna scale up. I want to make $1,000, $2,000 a day now instead of 700, 800, 500. You know, average. And I just can't. I don't have the opportunities to. No, I don't do any NFTs either. I don't do any NFTs. Oh, but wait. Oh, but wait, guys. If you would have followed this, you would have made a killing today. Hold on. Look at this perfect CMRA right here. If you would have followed this, oh my god, I would have averaged in 10,000 shares on any play right there. Look at that. I could have bought right there and then sold right there and then rebought it there and then sold right there. Could have bought it there on the red candle, wicked up, sold it there, and then again bought it there, sold it there, bought it there, sold it there. Or even at the bottom of the zone right here, I could have bought it right there, sold at the top of the zone right here. If I only would have seen this right here earlier, I'd be up 2 grand. Only thing I'm waiting for is CMRA. Yesterday, PXMD, watching AKRO for a short. Chayton. Hey, also, Chayton, thanks for commenting on my YouTube recaps, man. Appreciate it, appreciate it. VNet is still kind of going, but this one's moving very slow as well. Slowly grinding up. VNet going up to 6.5. This is the one that I don't understand why there's no volume. 6.5 pre-market there, and then 200 moving average at 664, right above it. How are we not filled with buyers and sellers in this stock here? SPY's dropping. I should have shorted a little more. Tesla, I should have shorted at that trend line too. Oh well. The only stocks I'm looking at is VNet and CMRA right now. What's up, people on TikTok? Am I winning today? I'm actually break even today, which is okay. Market, it was kind of slow today. I didn't really see a good opportunity to really jump in and scale up a little bit at all, but it's okay. You made 130 today. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I did, what was I gonna say? And RBO resistance on that one. Let me see, journal. So I'm red today, but yesterday 1, 2, let me go to my calendar. I was up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was green 5 days in a row until today, which I think I'm red. But yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Do I have anybody new here on Tradecaster or YouTube? Anybody new? Anybody here for the first time? Basir, welcome in, Basir. How are you liking it so far? You got any feedback? Any opinions? Any comments? Any complaints? Not bad. Rob S, I'm out to go deliver some groceries. Keep it green. See you tomorrow. Awesome, Rob S. You have a good rest of your day, Rob. You have a good rest of your day, and I will see you back tomorrow. Is the NRBO unhalted? And unhalted and halted again. This is what I'm telling you. Ghost Rider, you ain't new. I recognize your name, Ghost Rider. This is what I'm talking about. See you later, Rob. You have a good one. This is what I'm talking about, guys. All volume is on this stock today. Or everybody's watching this stock, even though if it doesn't have the biggest volume. But look, it just halted there, and then halted there. In the last 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it's only had one 1 minute candle. The other ones are halts. Oh, John got in on that one. Well, I guarantee you this one's breaking to a high there. I don't even see anything moving on momentum scanner. It filled you at 50, 60. Is that small share size though? Small share size, right? Small share size. I guess I'll import my trades. I think I'm red. Probably 20, 30 bucks, which is fantastic for a red day considering probably the last 5 days I'm over 2, 3 grand, I think. So let's find out. I'm down $32. Yeah, 2.4 in the last 6 days, 5 days. So I need $32 and I go green today. $32 and I go green today. Where can I make $32? What does it mean when it halts like that? Hold on. Halt. H-A. A halt, there's many different reasons why there's a halt. But like it could be like something with the company or they like suspended trading or anything like that. But the majority of them, I would say probably 95% of the ones you're gonna see, it's because of volatility. And so what happens is the stock moves way too fast, way too quick, or a lot, way too quick, way too fast, whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. And so it actually, the market makers freeze the stock. And so it's moving too fast, too quick that the market makers say, okay, you cannot trade the stock. And so they usually freeze it. And normally they freeze it for 5 minutes. So let's take a look here. Yeah, so this one right here. Sometimes they put that little line, and that's how you can tell that stock got halted. So this one, boom, there, halted. That's a 5 minute halt, and then resumed. But this one right here, again, you can see mostly all the halts are the candles close at the very top, right? Because it halted so fast. A lot of price came in so fast. Buyers came in so fast. It could halt all up or down, but it closes at the very top, right? So top at the top. And right here, this one halted there, and then made a new candle there, 8:44. So it halted at 8:44. Basically, the next candle should open 8:49. That's 5 minutes. And if you look there, down here, 849, right under my mouse, 849. So that one opened 849, and then the next one, 850. That's a 1 minute candle, normal. This one, 851, and it looks like it halted again. But this time it didn't do that one. I don't know why it does that and why it doesn't sometimes. So this one ripped up again, closed at the high. This one also halted, and this one actually halted at 851. You can see right there under my mouse. Next candle's 856. That's 5 minutes. Halted, resumed 5 minutes. But see, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 halts today. That's a lot. And so this one halted at 9:43:53. So this one should have already resumed. And if they don't resume in 5 minutes, sometimes it's 10 minutes. I'm not in it. I'm not in it. John is in it though. So we all gotta watch this stock here and pump it up for John. Not by buying, but by speaking to it, telling it to pump up. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. John's scared. Dude, hopefully this resumes like $55, $60. I think it's had enough of like resuming right where it's at. Sometimes they do the one where it like literally like resumes way up here or resumes way down here. That's what I'm scared of for you. Can you imagine buying this stock this morning and just literally letting it ride $20 a share? $30 a share? Not by buying. Well, dang, I should have moved over to Tesla short where I was calling it earlier. The retest of that trend line up there where it's right here. 297s. Dude, and it sucks when it halts for so long. Yeah, this is a 10-minute halt for sure. So it was at 9, what was it, 43? So maybe 9:53 it will resume. I don't think so. That's a good question. I don't think so. I honestly don't even know what determines the price after a halt. CMRA trying again. The stock is not gonna go anywhere, dude. This thing is. Nikki, what's up, man? There you are. Finally, I could see a text message from you or a chat message from you. Is 6 halts good or bad? I mean, at that point, the stock is basically untradeable for me. Because you can't be buying a stock that's just, halting left and right. Because you don't want to get caught up in those halts. And some of those, like we were saying, they can resume higher, they can resume lower. Like, for example, this one, right? This one, price went from $23, halted at 26. 26, say about 1,000 shares right at that halt, 26. This thing actually resumed lower. This thing, after the halt, spawned lower to 25. It resumed a dollar lower. If I had 1,000 shares, I'd instantly be down $1,000 on that trade. Some of them are the opposite, right? They halt here. This one halted here at 27.60 and resumed and kept going to 30. There I would have made, with 1,000 shares, would have made $3,000, but it just depends on the stock. I don't like to see a lot of them because I don't want to like getting caught up in halts. I sound like Andres over here, but But yeah, keep up the good content. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for going live. I really appreciate being able to see you do this. Yeah, a lot of people still think I don't do this like legit, so maybe going live on TikTok proves to some of you guys that I do this every single day and really do make real money. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do you believe in YouTube videos? Let me tell you something. I learned everything off of YouTube. I never had a mentor. I never bought anybody's course. This thing should be live here. If I remember, it was 9:53:50 something. So this thing should be live here in about 10 seconds. I think. Let's see, let's see. There it is. There we go. It's gonna keep going, John. 56. Johnny. Sold. Sold to the man right there with the name John Longshort. Somebody else said, and the only person who you actually see trading live. Oh, it fake halted. John just made $300 on that play right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of people, and I'm not gonna trash talk anybody or name any names, whether if it's on streaming platforms or on TikTok. But a lot of people are gonna try to sell you stuff, and they don't even trade themselves or even really know how to make money on the market. But I do this every single day completely free. So if you doubt me, just come watch me trade live. I will make money right in front of you guys and prove it. Man, takes a lot of confidence to say that, you know? It takes a lot of confidence to say that. It's very hard to be a profitable day trader, and I'm over here saying, come in here, watch me, and I'll do it in front of you. What's your percentage you got, John? I knew you were legit as soon as I saw you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But yes, I do believe in YouTube videos. Now, is there a specific YouTube video or YouTube person that I say out there to go watch? No, I learned this 2-3 years ago, and this is why I have a course. Because if you go on YouTube, you have to find the good stuff, and you have to dig around all these videos, all these people, know who's legit, who's not, and what information to really think, okay, this is actually good information. This is not good information, and honestly, guys, most of the stuff that I know now and that I trade now has happened from experience. Like, coming here every single day for the last 3 years, I learned from myself more than I learned off of YouTube. The basics and all that stuff, YouTube. But, like, some of the stuff that I trade and my strategies, I kind of just made them myself. I kind of noticed the patterns, kind of noticed confirmations, stuff like that. So, which that really is all in my course, and which is why I offer the course. Saves you a lot of months of research and learning curve and doubts, because at the beginning I was always like, dude, I don't know if this is true or not. I don't know if this is really the real thing or not, but oh well. Deck chased and lost 2K on NRBO. Gap filled to 77 on NRBO. You think this is going that high? I feel the same. I knew you were legit. That's why I asked you about your course. Thanks, bro. Ghost Rider on YouTube said, good job, John. Bro, Juan, thank you for explaining. Ghost Rider, you're not part of my course, are you? My course is $450, but I offer the $150 discount for all of you guys. I don't usually promote it all the time, but for all of you guys that watch me live, I will open it for you guys. So $150 off. Trading is only for 18 plus. Yes, that's if you open your own account, but you can always use one with a parent or something like that, where you can have your parent be the main one, and then you can be either the secondary, or you can just trade off of your parents or a good friend, or something like that. Not yet. I will on Friday. Ghost Rider. Awesome, awesome. I didn't know if you were in it or not, because if you were, I was like, there's literally a section about halts on my course that talks about what halts are, how to trade them, and even some patterns or stuff like that I've noticed about halts. So, Big Steve, man, what's up, Big Steve? It's going. Not as good as yesterday. I am red, but $32, so I'm fine with a small red day. I think I missed a couple of opportunities, especially CMRA right here. I loaded the boat. I mean, literally bottom tick that again, loaded the boat, and just got out. I think I got out right here. Wasn't patient enough, didn't see it fully opening up, came back down. I think I tried it again a second time. Not as much share size, but I added back in right there on that tiny red candle. And I just once again shaken out of it, didn't trust it, and then finally just goes 2.5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9, almost back up to 3, 40 cents right there. Let it all go. Another low risk entry on CMRA. Yeah, CMRA every time it dips down to 276, it recovers. Big Steve, how's it going for you, man? How'd you do today? All right, let me see if I mean, I'm talking a lot now, but I only talk a lot when I really don't see anything tradable. LABD is still hitting highs. I might have to come back for power hour and see if I make a little bit of money, or I'll just take the red day today. Let me read some TikTok comments. Hold on, hold on. Oh, hold on. I missed a lot of comments. Holy crap. Keep up the good content. Thanks for going live. Appreciate. Yes, I believe in YouTube videos. What do you think about AKRO? AKRO, not right now. Pretty pricey too. Trading a stock that halts that many times is never a good idea. Learned it the hard way. Yeah, that's why I stayed away from it today. Give some tips for beginners. Tip number one is open a broker account and watch the market every single day. Even if you don't trade it, even if you don't trade paper money, real money, just watch the market an hour a day, 30 minutes a day. The first market open, and just start recognizing patterns and how the stocks move. You can make money in the first hour of market open and be done for the rest of the day. Do you think you can trade just as well using only RSI, moving average, and support and resistances? I could trade just as well without RSI, and I guess I use moving averages a little bit and support and resistance. I traded too many times and I lose. I came from 900 to 500. What should I do, please? You only have 500 left? Trade SPY options. Don't get greedy. Take profits. Not a financial advisor. That's a good idea. Um, Thank you, ESPN kid, for saying all that stuff. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, sorry, you asked that question again. Yeah, I believe I can. I mean, if I had RSI in my chart in my screen, I probably wouldn't use it as much. I don't use that indicator a lot, but uh, but yeah. What do you think trading is? What do you think trading is future? What's the first step of trading for beginners? The first step of trading for beginners is opening a broker account and watching the market every day. I stream completely free, guys. So if you open a broker account and you look at your charts while I'm going over my charts and trading right in front of you, you're going to learn so much. Obviously, you have to know the basics, and if you really want to know the basics and in-depth explanations of all of my strategies, then I have my course for that. But the first step is just open the broker account, get a fake money, paper money, and then just start looking at the stocks every day. HYMC recovery back up to high of days. CMRA completely failed. Small red again this month has just been untradeable for me. Next week we taking risks to get to that 1K profit, right, Juan? Hopefully, man. If I see good setups, I'll take them. I really want to scale up a little bit, get a little bit more money going. That's the good thing about trading. You choose how much you want to make. Literally, you choose how much you want to make. If you're comfortable with $100 a day, that's it. If you're not comfortable until you make $10,000 a day, then do that. HYMZ does have a very nice downtrend as well. So let's see if we can find a downtrend break retest on HYMC. This one had a lot of orders on the ask up here when it was up to 108. Nice little pennant also forming on this one. VNet climbing back up. VNet, if VNet gets over 620 back up to 650, we're looking for a trade up to $7 on this one. Or 664 was another daily pivot. All I need is a little push. Big Steve, small red. That's good, man. Keep the red stay small, though. I'm red $30, which is amazing. What time do I go live normally? 15 minutes before market open. 15 minutes before market open. That is 8:30. Look at NRBO, man. Holy crap. That is 15 minutes before market open is 8:15 Central Time for me. Trading is completely legal. Crypto is completely different. Crypto is coins. Stocks are companies. No problem. Yeah, Lang, I did see all the CMRAs. I was just scared of a dump, and I didn't want to buy on one of them that was going to dump on me. Time zone, I'm in Eastern. I mean Central, sorry. I don't know why I said Eastern. Central. NRBO's halted again, isn't it? Ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Yeah, that is one thing I'm not good at trading. I'm good at trading breakouts and trading that first dip, but I am not good at trading the consolidation. I don't know why. I see a consolidation. I know where it's consolidating. I know the levels, but I always see, okay, it's consolidating too much. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. It's going to do it fast, right? It's going to pick a direction. It's going to go and tank or completely squeeze. And so I don't know if that mentally in my head goes, I don't want to buy that dip because that might be the dip right there that just flushes, and instantly down 10, 15 cents on a trade like that. But you know, definitely different strategies. Definitely different strategies. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly right, Lang. I'm actually break even today, Penn State. There is. It's called PDT rule. Apple saucer. Look at PDT rule. But there is ways around it. There is ways around it. AKRO reclaiming view up. Look at how many 5 minutes though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5-minute candles and cannot keep going. Today has been a very slow, boring day. So if you guys are watching me and you get bored, I am sorry. Open is now 54.5. See, I don't understand what the term is at. Somebody has to look that up and tell me. Not right now or at some point. How did I learn trading on YouTube? I do teach people how to do this now. I didn't, but I get so many questions and so many people asking me how, and so I decided to just make a course. I have several people on the course, and I can tell you that everybody that has bought it has completely said it's worth it. How do you see that? I don't know. I don't know how to see that. Jofi's the one that sees it. Completely worth it, and definitely learn a lot. So if you want to take a look at my course, you can actually see exactly everything that's included, and there's a link in the bio. And if you want the 150 discount, just type in 150 off at the checkout page, and you get 150 discount. And you get put into a special Discord with members that are only part of that course, and I post my trades every day on there, and also answer any questions. QQQ, can I take a look at QQQ? Ugh, this market is nasty today. See, I don't have any. I don't plot TQQQ at all, so I don't. No, I mean I see QQQ and SPY still going lower. I think QQQ is for sure going back down to retest at 290, 293, 291. This thing is free falling. There's nothing that's gonna stop this right now. We might see a little bounce down there at 290, 292, 293, but this thing is going back down. Yeah, you were right. It did open somewhere around there. See, this is what I'm talking. It goes from one halt into another. Yeah, Ghost Rider. Ask it on Discord. I go morning live every morning, Monday through Friday. Now I will say this: I just started these TikTok lives. I got approved by the agency, but for some reason they say it's only game content related. But I told them I was doing trading and stuff like that, and they still gave it to me. Um, so hopefully they don't revoke my live streaming like this, and I can keep streaming. But if I don't stream live on TikTok one day, it's because I got it revoked. But I stream every single morning on YouTube and on TradeCaster.com. They are free, so if you go to TradeCaster.com, cancel the payment. You don't need to pay or put credit cards in, and you can see a lot whole on my monitor. You can see everything I'm looking at, not like TikTok. 290, but that seems good. Awesome, appreciate it. AKRO is kind of trying to break this downtrend and retest it. FRTX here for high FRTX. No, I'm kind of liking AKRO now. Break a downtrend. We finally broke out of it here. Kind of a retest of downtrend down to 2750 on AKRO. Could be a possible trade. Volume definitely stepped up here in the 1 minute. Look at that. Could have been my dip there. I looked away for a split second. But I want to see another retest of that dip down there or something like that. Looking at Akero, retest of downtrend down here. Another spike down and I'll get in again. Or first time, first add. Trying to snipe this low here. Added small there. Currently up $50 there real quick, 54. But I'm looking to see if this one calls back. I've never had it down low again. AKRO looking for this retest of downtrend to hold. Add it again. I'm gonna take those out just to be careful. It's not bouncing at all like I wanted to. But I did this on the other place, wasn't patient enough, and then it bounced. So I'm gonna sit here a little bit longer. Hopefully it bounces. Nope, no it doesn't. But you know what? I'm gonna add down there again. Let's see if I get the nice bounce back up. I see buyer step in down there. Hey, it wants to bounce. Looking at AKRO down here still. I sold it right before that. That's too much of a pullback there. So get back a little bit more of a loss there. That's okay though. What moving averages do I have? A 9 and a 20. So it took like $100 loss there. To me, this still looks perfect. I would take that trade again. I would take that trade again if I saw it. FRTX still also failed. Man, just nothing working. So just another one of those days. Looks like last week's momentum carrying over to this week. Down 200 today. I lost a little bit there. I lost probably like 160, 170 on that trade. Trying to catch a bounce, and that one would have paid me off good if it bounced at all. I mean, I had 1,000 shares at 27.5, and if it just bounced to 28, that would have been $500 there. No bounce, no bounce. How do you get around PDT rule if you have little funds? You can use a different broker that doesn't enforce PDT, or you can use a cash account with whatever broker you have right now. Cash account allows you to trade a lot more if you know how to manage it. Which, once again, my course has all of this information. I even list the brokers out for you. I even tell you which ones are better for what. All of that inside of my course. Like I said, it has every step from complete beginner who doesn't know anything about trading to everything that I know now. So I took an extra loss there, $160 loss, but I mean, let's see. This is to show you guys my results. I'm down 200. I don't even know if this is centered on TikTok. Dang, I don't know how far behind my TikTok stream is. Anyway, so today down 200. Yesterday I made 500. Day before that I made 400. Day before that I made 670. Day before that I made 140, and day before that another $700. So I went 5 days green and a small red day today. I am totally okay with that. Small numbers, but that's just what all we saw last week. Nothing really crazy moving, momentum, volume, none of that, none of that. So Alright guys, looks like I might be taking a loss there today and I might be heading off. Let me post my Discord. I think some of you guys had a couple questions. I can't do it on TikTok. I don't think I can post link on my TikTok chat, but if you go to my bio, you should see my Discord link there and also my course link there. If you're interested on the course, use the 150 off discount and then you get $150 off. But here is my link over on YouTube. Peace, have a good day. Appreciate it, GDA Trader. And then for my Tradecaster chat, some of you guys were new. I don't know if you guys have my Discord or not already. And by the way, guys, I guess I'll explain this real quick. Stanford, somebody in my Discord yesterday mentioned that I should add a trade breakdown chat on my Discord. And so here, guys, every trade that you take, if you want to share it, whether it's a winning trade or a losing trade, you can come in and post it here, and then kind of your explanation, what you bought, where you got out, and stuff. Okay, thanks, Juan. Better days coming, right? Yeah, hopefully. Um, and then here you can come in and explain them right there, and so that way we can all see what you were thinking and all of that. And then, as always, if you guys want to come in here in the mornings, come in here early on. John in here and Zach since 6, 7 a.m. this morning. Don't let these guys hang in. Alvinar comes in a little later. You guys come in here and chat how the morning is looking so far, gappers and all that stuff, and then I'll start streaming. And then after I'm done, throughout the day, these are the people that are also trading here, giving out call outs as well, and trading throughout the rest of the day once I get off stream. So all over on Discord. All of that over on Discord. Bye, Juan and team. Awesome day trader. The trader, appreciate you being here. Go well, Juan. Alright, guys, I'm going to end the stream. I'm down 200. If I keep trading, I'll mention it on the Discord. I always tell you guys anyways. But we'll see. I'm going to go grab some food. Enjoy the rest of my day. Enjoy a small red day because I'm totally okay with that. And then come back tomorrow and hopefully better setups. So everybody watching on YouTube and Tradecaster, I appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys later. And then everybody on TikTok, like I said, the link is in my bio for my Discord and for my course as well. 150 off for a 150 discount. See you guys. See you everybody.